Hello everyone, my name is 𝐒𝐲𝐫𝐫 and welcome back to Learnomate Technologies. If you can see my today's headline, the today's headline is MVCC in PostgreSQL. So I'm going to talk about what is MVCC and what is the difference between MVCC and locking mechanism. So when you talked about the MVCC, this MVCC is a concept which you can see into the database called PostgreSQL. And this locking mechanism, you can see the other RDBMS database like Oracle, MySQL, there you can see. And this MVCC concept, you can find out in PostgreSQL. But before we proceed to this concept, we need to understand that what is this MVCC? In order to make you understand, I'll tell you one example. Just take an example. I have one table is there. Okay. And in that table, I have 3 columns are there, just like ID, name, and salary. Now assume a situation that we have ID like 100, the name is Bob, and his salary is 10,000. Okay. So first of all, we will try to understand about what is MVCC. The long form of MVCC is Multi-Version Concurrency Control. So just to make you understand about the MVCP, let us try to understand one example. Like let's say there is a table called EMP table is there. Under that table, these are the columns are there and there is one record is available. Assume a situation there one user got connected from one terminal, the user one got connected and he is trying to update the salary from 10,000 to 20,000. He is trying to change the salary of Bob from 10,000 to 20,000. Now, usually in Oracle database, when he is trying to update the salary, then user 2 cannot do the select statement. He cannot do the select because user 1 and user 2 will block each other, or we call it as there will be a lock, internal lock will be there. Unless and until he is not doing the commit, he cannot do the select statement. So both the person, user 1 and user 2, cannot run a query at a time. This is because of the locking mechanism in the Oracle database. Because of this mechanism, U2 user needs to wait till the time this U1 is doing commit. This is a problem, right? So to fix this issue, PostgreSQL have come up with the concept called MVCC. Now in this MVCC, what will happen? User 1 and user 2, he can do the update statement, he can run the update statement, and he can do the select statement at a time. Both the people can connect to the Oracle database. Sorry. Okay. Because of this MVCC, user 1 and user 2, both the person can do their transaction without locking to each other. Now, how it is going to happen? Let's say user 1, he got connected and he is updating the salary from 10,000 to 20,000. He has run the update statement, but he has not done the commit. And at a time when user 2 is trying to access this table and he is trying to get the salary, he will get the old salary. He will get old salary, 10,000. Why he is getting the old salary? Because this person has not done the commit. But remember one thing, that the user 2, he can connect and he can see the data. That is the old salary. Because, okay. And as soon as the user is going to make the commit, let's say once he fired the update, he needs to do the commit. And as soon as he is going to make the commit, now this new commit, as soon as the commit is done, the salary will be updated to 20,000, which is a permanent change. And then this person can see 20,000. But before the commit, he can see the old salary only. And after the commit, he can see new salary. How it is different from the other databases? In other databases, the user, this user 2 cannot run the query itself. But here, he can run the query and he can see the older value. So in MVCC, what will happen? every transactions, whatever you are going to run on PostgreSQL, it maintain the transaction ID. It maintain the transaction ID, and that transaction ID also maintain the old record, or we can call it as the old snapshot. And as soon as the user is going to do the commit, the old snapshot will be deleted. I want to show you this MVCC concept practically also. But for that, you just need to subscribe to this channel. And if you guys want to know more about the PostgreSQL, if you want to see this practically, you just need to mention interested. What do you need to do? Just mention interested in the comment section. And I'm going to show you this MVCC concept practically also. Apart from this, I have a very big plan to upload more and more videos based on the PostgreSQL. And for that, we need the support from all of you. Because if you see that you people are supporting us and you are very much interested to understand about the PostgreSQL, we are going to show you all these things practically, and even on this digital board, you can see the things theoretically also. Apart from this, if anyone is interested to take the PostgreSQL training, please reach out to the Learnomate team. The number is available over the screen, or you can see the number in the description of this video also. I know you people are learning a lot of things from our Learnomate Technologies YouTube channel. We do provide the trainings on different software technologies like Oracle DBA, RAG DBA, PostgreSQL, DevOps, data engineer, data analyst, lot of things are there. Please visit our website. And we used to create a lot of Instagram shorts also, where we discuss about the interview questions answer. You just need to follow us on our Instagram. You just need to follow us on our LinkedIn. You need to join our WhatsApp channel group, and you will see a lot of meaningful information from us, and that too completely free of cost. One more thing is, again, if you want my next video to get uploaded, please mention interested in the comment sections. I have my personal channel also with the name 𝐒𝐿𝐫𝐢𝐥𝐵, where I usually try to discuss about the career opportunities in IT industry, the future of IT industry. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel with my personal name, 𝐒𝐿𝐫𝐢𝐥𝐵. The link is available in the description of this video also. The name of the channel is 𝐒𝐿𝐫𝐢𝐥𝐵. You can search also. So thank you so much for giving your valuable time and watching me till the end. I know you people are very much interested. So please mention interested.